we're going to put something together now where we're going to actually physically go out and get this man and go to the business and say, hey, can we come in and interview you guys and talk to you guys and show you this amazing product? What do you think?
Businesses in Ohio, when you guys interview businesses, when you tell them this is going to air on a certain day, if you upload it in there and invite your family and friends, now you got more people coming and taking a look at it.
Right.
Because if you came to me as a business guy and say, I want to promote you because you guys make your site Ohio businesses on the move,
right.
I want you to interview me because that's going to, I get to be on your site, other people get a chance to look at my business, so you're going to get a bunch of people wanting to do that.
Right.
And then just say, hey, it's going to be airing on this day and time, get your family and friends. Now they come there and look at that, and some of them are going to accidentally see that. So that's a great idea what you guys are already doing.
I love it. I love it. I'm so excited about April 10th.
No, it's just huge.
Man,